All right, y'all, today we got a video featuring the Garvee dog kennel. This is the smaller one. They also have a larger one. They sent this out to us to put together and see if we see how we feel about it. I like it so far. It seems pretty solid. I would use it in my case right now because I don't have a dog. I'm gonna pretty much use it for chickens, or if I pick up a goat or two. This might fit them babies though, to get them used to the property or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how we put it together. The box came a little beat up, but it's a metal frame. I figured it'd be all right. But yeah, this is the tarp that goes up top. Throw it out the bag. Get that side. Okay, I'm sure this is all the hardware for it. We're gonna lay it out a little bit. So that's it. That's everything in the box. And so let's see what the first thing is to do. All right, so two. These are your corners. So ones go on in between each slot. You'll see that in a second. So D5 goes on this corner with the screws. Is all from what I see right now. These screws are all the same size. Unless something changes. But yeah, screws, corner. You're gonna screw this one in the top hole, this one in the bottom hole. This one in the bottom hole, that one on the top hole, like that. So it's staggering, like that, if that helps. And you wanna put the groove part, it look like it connects to something, facing up. And this one's gonna be on top. Let's move on to step two. Step two, we need to put fours mid-level. So where the four is at, top hole with this one. All right, we're on step number three. Little door hinges on the bottom. D1, D2, D3, D3, D4, 14, 13, 12, so that's D4, that's D3, that's D3, so D3, 13, 11, so 11 on the bottom, the shorter pole, and J are the smaller one. Seemed like the middle would be the easiest way to start. To put this first, screw to the top. Put the two plastic pieces on the end, D and D. Like that. And you take this, place it here. Might not. Pretty much what you're doing is you're taking this, putting the screw in here, E, and then you put the nut on it. There you go. So there you have it, the Garvee dog kennel. Appreciate Garvee again for sending this out to us. And if you're interested in getting you a dog kennel or a mini chicken coop, chicken tractor, put some wheels on it, who knows, but y'all check them out. Garvee dog kennel. To the next one.